What's up everybody? How is everybody doing? I've been enjoying the nice weather here and I had to do an update of this system, and here I'm showing you exactly what I was doing. I was cleaning the system from dust. Afterwards I will be taking the motherboard out because I intend to sell this system, which I already have done. So we will be applying a new paste. We will be using the same graphic card. The new processor will be 12,600K. Looking for a new budget motherboard that I haven't ordered yet. But there's gonna be another extreme build also happening in couple of days. Actually not couple of days, in 4 or 5 days I think. Gonna have one package that is around 45 kg, just tech stuff. Another package from Glorious. As you see, the condition of the motherboard is great. It's time to say goodbye to this system. It's a 5-year-old system when you think about it actually. So to people saying that you cannot sell parts, you can always do it at a great price. You just gotta have some patience. That's the AIO. This was the processor that I was able to overclock to 5.3 GHz, but that wasn't stable. Up to 5.2 you can probably see that I have done delete on the processor also, and I also showed the video how I apply thermal paste on this system also. But it's crazy, in couple of months how much dust collected here. Sorry for releasing videos slowly, but weather was too good. I had to take advantage of that situation for my own health. I hope all of you understand. I'm going to remove my M2. That would be funny if I forgot to do that. This is basically what I've been doing slowly. You don't need to use Arctic here. I just had it laying here. It actually makes the procedure harder. Electronic cleaning spray is the best. Person who is getting this motherboard and with the processor wanted the system to be a little bit cleaned up. Also, as you see here, I had to clean all of that thermal paste, apply a new layer underneath the IHS because he wasn't comfortable having liquid metal. And this is what I've done with this system. There's gonna be so many videos. If you have any questions, you can always ask me. Like and share the video. Take care of yourselves. Don't forget to enjoy yourselves also outside. Not everything is about tech. Let's go!